In this video tutorial, we're going to take a look at a couple of quick tips on creating a map animation where your airplane is flying counterclockwise around the world. Something like this. This sounds pretty straightforward and you would think, sure, I'll just place my first pin here and everything will just work. But what you're going to find is that if you position your pin over here, all of a sudden the map gets cut off on the right. Now the question is, why is this happening? And if we look at the map itself, we can see that it's simply an image that looks like this. If we wanted to fly anywhere within this image, it works just fine. However, if we wanted to fly from Los Angeles to Australia, it would put Los Angeles outside of our map. But going around this problem is actually really simple, and the solution is already built into the template. All you have to do is go to your comp, click on this guide to unhide all of your hidden layers, scroll down to the bottom until you find a layer called Theme Selector World Map, unlock it, and here you will find an effect called Motion Tile. Now our map should end over here, but you will notice that it's already getting tiled to give us this extra bit of the map. And that's because at times when flying to New Zealand, you would start seeing the water getting cut off. So if you want to see more of the map, all you have to do is go here and enter 200 into the output width. 200 means that the map will get duplicated twice horizontally. If I pull back, you can see that this is the actual size of our world map. And if I set tiling to 200, it means that the map will get duplicated once here and once on the left side of the map. And that's all there is. I guess the reason why we have it set at 120 by default is because this is a fairly large image, and having to render 3 instances of it typically slows down your renders by probably about 50%. So unless you need to illustrate such type of flights, just leave this at its default value. And I guess that's all there is to this tutorial, which is not even much of a tutorial, but more of a tip on how to enable map tiling. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful.